Crisp sound, wireless freedom, Apple's AirPods are indeed a marvel. But what if they suddenly stop working? Fear not, a quick restore can bring them back to life. Step 1. Open the lid of your AirPods case. Don't remove the AirPods yet. Step 2. On your iPhone, go to Settings, select Bluetooth and tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Step 3. Tap Forget this device and confirm. Step 4. Now press and hold the setup button on the back of your AirPods case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber. Step 5. Reconnect your AirPods to your device. Voila! Your AirPods are restored and ready to serenade you again. Remember, a quick restore can save your day.